Okay, I'm started editing, or recording, I mean. No traffic until we start shooting, so. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
All right. Hello, family and friends. It's Kim here from Kim's Country Corner. Okay, friends, well, it's afternoon. We had a nice lunch, took a little break, and now we decided we need to walk off some exercise. So we're getting ready to go on walk number 2. And this time, Jody has figured out where the nature center is. So we're going to do the full loop. So come on along and join the walk. This is a beautiful park.
It is.
It's gorgeous down here. So here's another one of those bluebird houses on their trail. That one they have all decorated. You'll see these about every 100 yards. Do you see the bluebird? Bluebird houses are set up like on a bluebird trail, and you will see bluebirds at it every once in a while. So Jody mentioned this site to me earlier, that this is a premium site too because we're at a point. And just look at that view, just gorgeous. It's got the round table. It's right sticking out there on a viewpoint of the lake. That's a pretty shot over in there. So here I am out walking with my sister back there. And we are having a great walk.
Well, with me, it's like walk, stop, walk, stop, walk, stop.
All right. Okay, so now we're taking an afternoon walk, and we just passed where the Lake Eufaula Marina is at. We are headed towards the nature center.
We hope.
We hope. It's a beautiful camp area, though. No one's here, but because it's a Sunday, everyone's already pulled out.
That makes it even prettier.
Yes. There's a trail through the woods over there. We're headed towards the nature trail. They have a lot of trails through this park, this state park.
It's just not a really easy to see trail.
I think the nature center is up here on the left.
What is that, Miha?
Miha is checking out the armadillo. Yep. Okay, friends, so we are at the Deep Fork Campground.
And if it's shaky, it's because Mia wants to go.
And the nature center is right down this road. So that's our next leg of the journey for the afternoon.
It's Deep Fork Nature Center.
Oh, Deep Fork Nature Center.
Yeah. Trying to figure out what that thing else outside. What was the greenhouse?
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, and they have trellises set down there for growing vines up too, it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
I will say their stuff around here is really cute and unique.
Yeah, Frogatorium.
Oh, it's closed. Oh well. I've been to lots of nature centers. But look at this. Frogatorium. Okay, so here's a big map to the Lake Eufaula State Park. And Jody and I are right there. Lakeview Circle right there. And we walked all along here, down through there, and then down in here. Where is the center? Well, here's the visitor center. We drove up to the visitor center, but we're not that far yet. We're down in here somewhere where I think that's it, the nature center's at. So, pretty cool. Beautiful area down here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and walk on down and look at the amphitheater. Okay, and now I'm walking down to the amphitheater. That is a beautiful spot for it. It's been off and on today with the wind and the weather. It'll get warm when the sun comes out, and then the sun goes back in and the wind starts and it gets a little chilly. So I don't think we'll be swimming at our own risk today. But as you can see, they do have a little beach area down in there. Plus it is March. So you're to expect weather like this in the summer. You can see from the laps of the waves that it's nice little beach area. So of course, we have some boulders here, which makes a nice layout. Oklahoma is mostly flat with prairie land, but coming into Eufaula here, we do have some rolling hills. Lots of trees and a few boulders. So let's see what's going there. There's more of the lake back there. Bee crossings. Honeybees are territorial, social insects, and are prepared to defend their hive. Path we can go
walk down to.
Okay, so Jody and I think that if we keep following the Nature Center road, that it's going to lead us on around to our Lakeview Road. Yeah. Oh yeah.
We're the only ones in the park.
Yeah, we can see our RV from here. So you can't see it, but we can. So yeah, we're in the right direction.
Big circle. Like I said, I don't know if
We just came from there. Well, even if we stay on the road, I think we're gonna. I say even if we just stay on the road, I think we're gonna be okay.
But I'm trying
Okay.
to think positive.
So this time, instead of just walking the circle for Lakeview Circle, Jody and I took this outer road, which is a much larger circle, and it took us by the marina and by the nature center, and then we're heading on back down to our campsite, which is that lone RV way down there,
That's the way we like it.
just the way we like it.
We're so special. We have our own campground.
Yes. Okay, so Jody has made beef stew for our supper.
Slaved over it.
Slaved over that. Even had to dig out the can opener just to realize it was a pop top. So we used to always have beef stew when we would camp. So this is the necessary meal.
Yep, gotta have it one night.
Celebratory meal. Okay, friends, well, I have my cup of beef stew here. Yum, yum. And we're going to call it an evening now. We've done a lot of sightseeing, a couple of walks, have had just the most fantastic day. But now it's time to enjoy the supper and relax for the evening. And so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about what's going on in my corner of the world, hit that subscribe button to Kim's Country Corner, and I will talk to you all later. Bye for now. Okay, and so it's Jody's turn to do dishes.
I'm glad you said Jody's turn so it doesn't look like I'm doing all the work around it. Kim did them this morning.
I did the morning dishes. Jody's doing lunch dishes.
Yep.
So,
Seems only fair.
although Jody does all the driving, I don't know how I'll ever make up for
cook
that.
dinner.
She didn't cook the dinner.
But I'm okay. No.
Yeah, usually whoever cooks the meal is the other person that does the
Yeah,
dishes.
but that's,
And we kind of messed up.
that's all right. Oops, got that.
And I am on my computer getting ready to edit some videos. We do not have internet right now, but that's okay. We don't need it. But I am still able to put together videos. So, and Mia is sitting over here on the couch next to me. Aren't you, Mia? Yeah, she got her walk in. Got to see an armadillo. I had to stop and think for a minute. So,
That was her first armadillo, wasn't it, sweetheart? Yeah.